challenging. So here's a little video for the neck and shoulders. Those are some really prime areas that usually people have tension, especially in times like these. So I invite you to find a place that's comfortable that you can sit down and relax, maybe grab a cup of tea, and it doesn't have to be on the floor or yoga mat. This isn't a full yoga practice. This is just some gentle stretching and tuning into the body. So find a place to sit down, and I invite you to close your eyes and take just a couple of breaths to start to draw your attention inward. We have a lot of external stimuli coming at us right now. So taking a couple of moments each day to come back into your body and find a sense of grounding can be very helpful. So you're observing your breath, you're observing your body, maybe even sending your breath to areas in which you feel tension. Great, you can gently blink the eyes open and we'll begin. So we'll take our chin in some semicircles. So we'll look to one side, roll down and around to the other side. So your chin is making a U shape along the front of your chest here. So it's following the direction from shoulder down to opposite shoulder. And this is opening up the back of the neck, allowing some lubrication into the neck. Breathing as we go along, moving slowly and mindfully. We never want to bring ourselves to a place of pain. And knowing that you can stop if there's a place that just needs some extra time. You can stop and enjoy the stretch. Great, let's come back to center. And we're going to look upward at the sky, stretching into the front of the neck here. So you maybe even want to place a palm on the chest. And then we're going to gaze down at the ground. Gazing up at the sky, feeling that length happen in the front of the neck and down at the ground. Great, this is called flexion and extension. Great, coming back to center, let's do some neck rotation. So rotation is just looking from side to side. So let's start by looking to one side, and you're going to look as far as you can, and then you're going to take your eyes and look back even further. Coming back to center, and then looking the other way. Looking as far as you can, moving your neck as far as you can, and then drawing your eyes behind you as well. And breathing, coming back to center, and we'll do that a couple of times. So we're taking the neck in several different ranges of motions, taking note of where you might feel tension, taking note of how one side might be different than the other. That's totally normal. Great, let's come back to center and let's extend our right hand out, and then let's bring our left ear to our left shoulder. So we're you can let your fingertips float of your right hand if you like, and then you're just bringing that left ear to the left shoulder. And you're taking care not to slump forward or backward. We're just staying right in alignment here. And if you'd like just a little bit more, you can take your left hand and draw your head up and away from the shoulder. So we're not cranking the head downward, we're lifting it up in this direction with just a little bit of gentle pressure. Breathing into this stretch and letting it go. And we'll do the other side, reaching the left hand out, letting the fingertips just float off the ground, and then taking the right ear to the right shoulder. Feeling the length in the left side of the neck. We'll take that right hand, if you like, and lengthen a little bit more. And releasing, coming back to center. And let's just take some nice U shapes with our neck again. Taking our chin down and around, down and around. Breathing in and out. Great, coming back to center. This time we're gonna take our nose and bring it down, gazing towards our left side of our body. So this time, instead of ear to the shoulder, we're more aiming our nose downward. So you're going to feel a stretch into the back of the neck. So nose is gazing down towards the left, and you can take that left hand and you can maybe hook onto the back of the head and assist gently, again lifting the head away from the neck. And you may feel a nice stretch into the back or the posterior part of the neck. Breathing in and out. Maybe even letting that right hand fall. You might feel a little different stretch or intensity here. Breathing in and out. And releasing gently, coming out slowly, moving mindfully. We'll do the other side. So this time the left chin is going to, or excuse me, the chin is going to gaze down towards the right. Okay, so chin gazes, tucks down towards the right. You're going to feel an opening in the back left side of the neck. And you might take that right hand up and around and gently assist the neck. So you're feeling this nice length into the back part of the left side of the neck. Breathing in and out, inviting softness and length. Releasing, coming back to center, and we'll take a couple of seated cats and cows just to end here. This helps with the neck, but also a little bit with the spine. So I'll have you inhale, and you're going to puff your chest out and arch your back as you gaze up towards the sky. And exhale, and you're going to collapse the chest and hug the belly button in towards the spine as you gaze down towards your belly button. So we'll inhale and find this expansion. Exhale and contract. Inhale, opening up. Exhale, contract. coming back to a place of stillness, finding your center, maybe taking the eyes and allowing them to close one last time. Drawing your attention inward. Take notice of any subtle changes that may have occurred inside your body. And I take my hands to my heart, and I just want to let you know I'm so very grateful for you taking the time to take care of yourself, and I do hope that this helped you, and I hope that you can be well. And the healer within me reflects the healer within you. Thank you.